Fancy a game of pool? The Crucible is a versatile dining and game set that works for family and friend weekends, summer holidays and parties. The tablecloth or baize is made from Sunbrella fabric, and the modern resin weave seat cushions are filled with comfortable PP foam. Right, now to get ready. Well, I'm game if you are. Winner stays on. So when you've racked up a few games of pool and fancy something different, why not try table tennis? The Crucible furniture can be left outside all year round. Protect and extend the life of your furniture by using the free furniture cover which is included. There you go, a lot of fun. Time to set the table. When you've finished playing games and stowed away the equipment in one of the benches, the crafted aluminium tabletop makes for a fantastic surface to entertain family and friends. I love the fact that the Crucible is low maintenance. Its aluminium construction is strong, durable, lightweight, rust-free. What more could you ask for? So if you're looking for the ultimate garden party table, the Crucible is the set to pocket. For more information or to find your nearest stockist, just visit the website hartmanuk.com.